Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is David, and today I am going to be showing you how to put Google Chrome into full-blown dark mode. Now, this is a little bit different than just applying a theme or just going into the simple dark mode settings. I'm going to show you both ways here. So first, let me just show you a couple of things here. If I go to YouTube, if I go to this website, you see how everything is just bright white? I really cannot stand it. It's really hard on my eyes. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to settings, and the way you do that is you go up to the top right corner, you find those three dots, and you go down here to settings, and it will take you to this screen right here. And then on the left hand side, you're going to go over here to appearance, and under appearance, this is where you can set mode to dark. And right away, you do get that dark mode, but it does not translate into every website showing up in dark mode. So if we go here to YouTube, I'm going to refresh the screen here. You can see that, yes, it did change it to dark mode, but like I said, maybe not everything translates over to dark mode. Let me go to this website. It's dark mode as well, but if you want to get into the full-blown settings of dark mode, you're going to go right here. You're going to go to this Chrome:///flags. And when you type that into your address bar at the top of Google Chrome, you're going to get this experimental features. And right here, auto dark mode for web contents. So right now it's on disabled. I'm going to put that on enabled. And now we're going to relaunch down here in the bottom. And when it relaunches, now everything will be in dark mode. In fact, it might put things in dark mode that you don't want in dark mode. So you might want to bookmark this page right here. That way you can go back and change the settings and possibly disable this at times. So you'll change it in settings, and then you'll also change it under the experimental features. And then you have got full-blown dark mode. Thanks for watching.